Hello AI family. I tried when it comes to voice to text, Super Whisper, Whisper Flow, Mac Whisper, all the different ones. Some have subscriptions, some are expensive, some are too slow, and I found VoiceLink being the best one. Here's the key though, when you install it, don't use the default model. It's super slow. The key is once you install it, go to AI models, go to local, and download this one, Parakeet V3. Click download, it will take a moment, and then once it's downloaded, click the button to set it as default. It is the fastest voice to text feature. The other things that you have to do under, let's see, let's go settings. I have my hotkey, which is the function key, bottom left hand, so when I activate it, it does voice to text. And also, I have it to play sound. I also have it mute the system audio because I'll have like YouTube playing in the background. I do have it preserve the transcript and clipboard because sometimes my mouse may move or something, so it's always in my clipboard, which is nice to recover it or reuse it. Let's see, launch at login. That's mainly it. Let me just check anything else. You do all your permissions. I don't really have it hooked up for enhancements. That'd be really great, but I don't really need it. Just doing the voice attacks with that parakeet is fast enough. You have transcripts, and then here you could also download. This was a 60-minute video. I just drag and drop the video link. You could do WAV, MP3, MP4, MPV, MOV, and then it will automatically transcribe it in minutes, super fast. So that's really helpful. And then I've been using it for the trial, and so my trial is ending. And I also wanted to share that if you publish content and click this button right here, if you share a post about talking about them, they just give you like a default email to kind of like fill out just to say, hey, I posted and here's the link to post, you'll get a 30% discount. And the nice thing is that it's a one-time buy. I think it's 25 bucks, lifetime access to the license. There's only like two apps that have lifetime access. Alfred is one, and VoiceLink is another one. But you have to be using voice to text, and I think it's only for Mac. Yeah, it's only for Macs. Sorry, PC. But yeah, this is the fastest one. It is okay. Let me show you how fast, real quick, just so you can see. I'll use this email real quick. So I'm gonna click voice to text and just talk, and then watch how fast once I'm done typing. This is the fastest voice to text feature where I can talk as really fast as I want, and it will list everything that I say, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, and I could, especially really helpful when talking with AI agents, I could just sit and speak at the speed of thought, brain dump all the things I want to do, and as soon as I let go of my finger, boom, it's done. It's all there in perfect grammar. You know how long it would have took me to type this and then delete and paste? That's the parakeet model that makes this super fast. And that's it. That's the voice to text feature. You'll definitely write and move 5 times faster just with this one tool alone. And that's what I wanted to share. So have a great day, everyone. Stay blessed.